Hello guys, welcome back to the Technical Boy YouTube channel. मेरा नाम सबनीत है. I am configure basic routing for this Cisco packet tracer. So let's go start now. This is structure for the static basic routing configuration. Basic routing configuration. Today I have covered. Today I have covered uh, static routes in this video. So now going to static configuration root. The static roots are created using follow of the command in the global configuration mode. Root IP root and destination network address and subnet mask nest hop address interface and destination in this following uh, Here you can see that PC want to connect to the web server which is use 192.168.0 slash 24 port. Network to routing Mumbai to which is PC2 is connected sold we can out the reach network and where web server in present. So routes Mumbai can see static routing use the follow command. The routing configure IP route 192.168.1.24 port 255 subnet mark 255.255.255.0 and 10.0.0.02. Then if you want to address of the Bangalore router, you want to address in Bangalore router. So router then we use the following command router Mumbai then IP address 192.168.1.0 slash 24 subnet mask 255.255.255.0 slash and serial port is 0/0/0. And similarly, that Bangalore routes sold that inform about 172.16.0 slash Solan and network the respond and back to PC for the web server in use the following command and Bangalore routers and router Bangalore config IP address 172 uh, dot 16.0.0 slash solar and subnet mask 255.255.0.0 and 10.0.0.1. So now I have going to configuration uh, router 1 IP configuration mode. Now going to router 1 configuration mode. Router 1 configuration mode. So open router 1 and start now. Enable mode config interface serial 0/0/0. Now I have checked for the serial number port 0/30 and this gigabyte for Ethernet and this cable gigabyte Ethernet. So now going to configuration mode. So not for 0/3/0 configuration mode. Now IP address of 10.0.0.0.1. Now 255.255 subnet mask 255.255.0. Sorry, I can't. 255.0.0.0. So now block enter in that going to check uh, routes clock, rate 64, sorry 60. Okay. Now check no shutdown command no shutdown. Now going to second router, going to CLI mode. Now naval mode, config mode. Now going to configure IP address. Now interface serial 0/0/0. Okay. So now IP address 1.10.0.0.2. Now configure again to one router in one IP address and two IP address. Now 255.255.255.0. So okay, so now configuration second mode. So okay, so sure, so not problem. You can configure again. Enter that no shutdown command use. No shutdown command. So now that going to interface Ethernet. Now exit. Now exit interface gigabyte 0/0. Okay. And now IP address. Now IP address 172 72 dot 160 dot 0.1. That's my clear question for this configuration. Please look for this configuration and seriously mode. Now 255.255.0.0. Now enter no shutdown. Use command no shutdown. So status check no shutdown up. Now going to second first switches. First switches. So now configuration interface exit interface gigabyte 0/0. Now enter configure IP address. So command use IP address 192.168.1.0. Now subnet mask 255.255.255.0. So now check the status. So use your no shutdown command. No shutdown. No shutdown command is work. And now to configure static router in the router one and configure static routing to root routers two. So now verifying the routing table to verify routing table to type so IP address. So now going to check static routes. Now so exit. So now you can check the routes, other routes and IP configure a static routes one. So IP. address, sorry, IP routes, enable mode, fix, now IP routes. Route 172.168.0.0. Now going to 25 subnet mask 255.0.0. 10.0.0.2. Okay. So now going to configure static routing uh, router 2. So now open router 1 and router 2. So use command IP to IP is 172.168.1.0 subnet mark 255.255 dot 255.0. Now again 10.0.0.1. This command has been invalid. Why dot invalid command? Okay, sure. 196.0.1 dot 0 dot yes dot 1. Okay. So now verify if the router table to configuration mode. Ensure that we to verify route table types of showing IP address in pavilion mode in the routing table and respond the static routes. Now exit coming to show IP route. Now showing IP routes for this. You can show this image and verify routing subnet to and subnet to mask, and that verification is okay. Verify is okay. So now going to ping of this PC, this network in this PC. So now open a desktop mode and configuration mode, and system IP is 172.16.0.100. Now, so owing this PC and going to physically mode and configuration mode. So open now and desktop mode and command use, and this system is verification verify for this command ping 172.16.0.100. So now reply is coming for this network static network. Reply is come back again. So uh, 100, and notice that we are getting reply for this 172.16.0.100, including that reachable. Different routing in different way. For different routing, the small status routing where can now the distance network address when we distance network is the can now the different route of solution, a different route of package forwarding method routes taking effective when the no any other can be diagram for giving the distance and address that package is for the distance not enabled to routing table we send the different route. So now this configuration is almost done and verification verify for this network status network configuration is done and verify network for this reply and reachable for the system and that server. So thank you for watching this video and please share this video, subscribe the channel Technical Boy Daily